You know what I hear? I hear the clock ticking and time waits nobody. Life goes by and it goes quick. Don't waste those years. Don't waste time. Leave them. So waking up 7 days, 7 weeks, 7 years, 70 years and being no closer to your goal. You make no progress. That's nightmare. Your idea isn't going to execute itself. That book isn't going to write itself. Your work isn't going to be done by itself. So, get up and go. You have to do it yourself. Don't wait for tomorrow. What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Did not get enough sleep? Did not have enough money? Energy? Did not have enough time? Is that what is stopping you right now? Or you yourself stopping you? Excuses sound best. If you ever seen me in a Rolls Royce or living in 7-star hotel, living my life to the fullest, don't get jealous of me because I worked my ass off to get it. Nobody handed me nothing. Wake your ass up. Recognize, excuses are not valid. They are just lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop lies with the truth. The truth is you have time, you have skill, you have power, you have knowledge and support, and you have discipline to get it done. Everything is difficult in life. It's not going to be solved itself. Success is not going to fall in your lap. So don't ever quit. Don't give up. Push yourself forward where you want to be and be a superhero to everybody.